Hello, my name is Michael, and welcome to the first episode of Tools of Programming. Today, we're going to learn how to create Hello World and also go over some variable types and how to use them, right? Not exactly use them, but the foundation to get started with them, I guess, suppose. Okay, I'm going to be using Eclipse, like I've said before. The link is going to be in the bottom. And also Java to teach you guys. Again, coding is different from programming. I'm going to teach you how to program, but coding, I'm going to let you guys up to you, which is you're going to translate it. You could take it places. So everything you learn here, it's not like it's going to be wasted. Okay. But anywho, let's go ahead and start a new project. Okay. Now I'm going to name this tools. All right. And this is just everybody got this. All right. Don't worry about it. Everyone's happy. Okay. I'm going to start a new class. The class is something I'll teach you guys. I'm going to teach you all that shebang later. Okay. Just know that this is going to be our playground, our room that you're in right now. Okay. And I'm going to make it so that it auto creates main. Main is a method, and I'm also going to cover that later. Methods are called functions, and everywhere else, methods are just you know Java's fancy way of saying functions. But I guess I could call myself fancy with that logic. But just know that functions are going to be that's the heart of everybody supposedly. So, anyways, main is where Java's going to look to where everything's going to be executed, okay? So anything you do here, Java's going to do. But if you do everything over here and delete this, nothing's going to happen, okay? This is literally the launcher, the executable file, okay? Let's put it that way. This is where the magic happens. And to prove such a thing, I'm going to go ahead and do System.out.println, okay? Now, I know, okay? This is basic, okay? You probably understand what this does. It prints a line, it prints something, okay? Now, in every language, it's different though. Okay, now know that this is not going to be the same for C++. C++, it's C out and then that and then you put your stuff here, okay? And in Python, it's print and then everything between these, okay? And then QBasic, it's just that, okay? Everything's different, okay? Again, coding, you're gonna translate that, okay? Just think of it this way: I'm gonna put the logic in your minds, and you're gonna use that everywhere, okay? Thank you. Applaud me later, okay? So let's go ahead and just get Hello World. This fantastic, one of a kind beauty of a word that's just gonna run and not give me any problems. And look at that Hello World, okay? It's glorious, isn't it? It's a beautiful thing, okay? Now, one thing to know is that I gotta show you guys something, alright? So let's go ahead and print this two more times. Don't worry about the space, I'm just being stupid. But one thing to know is that it's printing, okay? Now when I do this again, it's skipping lines. You see that? And the reason why, it's because of this, okay? Just notice that, just love and embrace it. Again, every programming language will have this. It's an end line, pretty much, okay? If I get rid of this, what's it gonna do? It's gonna put it in the same line, okay? Now this is kind of messy, not a lot of people would enjoy this, okay? Like I could say that if I saw that, I would probably cry. So if you wanted everything in one line, okay, don't worry, I got you, okay? This symbol literally says that's pretty much this is pretty much telling the computer this is one line, okay? Just letting you know, okay? Now in Java it's plus, in Python it's that, comma, it's whatever, okay? But this is how you put it all into one line if you wanted to, okay? So you could go ahead. And as my headset takes a dump for the for the first episode, just know that I just probably fixed a problem with my headset. Okay. Anyways, as you see, it's all in one line. Now, Michael, what about spaces? Well, you could manually put it if you want, and the magic would happen with a space. Okay. Now this is the reason why I'm going to teach you guys this first, and well, it's probably going to be the first thing anyways I'm going to teach you, but this is what we're going to need for for everything, okay? So if we want to print X, we could print X. Now, X is not even here yet, okay? So don't worry. We're going to make an X, okay? And here he is in all its glory. Now, why am I still getting errors? Well, now you got to tell the computer, what is it? Is it a number? A letter? A symbol? What is it? Well, let's make it a number, okay? Call it an integer, okay? Now it's like, well, now I need a number. Let's just ignore this right now, okay? Let's just ignore this. Let's talk about this, and then we'll go back to print, okay? Now this is a data value, okay? Now, or data type, okay? In that matter, data type, okay? This is telling the computer what it is. This is a number, okay? But this is just not a normal number, okay? No. These are just whole numbers, okay? So these are, notice I'm doing this. This is just a comment. This will the computer's just ignoring this when you do this, okay? That's your -1 to 0 to 1, but also, all the numbers, pretty much, all of it, any non-decimal, okay? And there's also other data types. If I put a double, okay, oh, that's not how you spell it. Okay, let's call it Y, okay? Now, doubles are your integers, okay? Now, I kind of went a little bit too far in that logic because I'm sorry, I've been coding forever and I haven't really been using floats too much. But, you know, floats is your decimal, okay? But this is the smallest. Like, it's literally the smallest decimal, I guess, in a way, like precision-wise. It's the least precisionist, okay? I'm going to make up words. Precisionist data value, okay? Doubles is double the float, so it's double the precision, okay? And then longs are freaking like triple or whatever it is. I don't even know because I never actually had a reason to do it, okay? I know. I'm not calling myself a professional, but I'm here. I'm here for you, boo boo, okay? Anyways, all right, let's go ahead and we did the numbers, right? Now let's think. Well, what's about the letters? Okay, there's char. You could use char. There's also strings. In Java, it's a capital S for strings. Remember that because you're probably gonna be stumped. But just know that this is literally this string is it's the weirdest thing. You can never find it the same way. All these integers, all the other data values, you know it from the back of the head. String literally just wants to just be its own thing. In freaking C++, it's not even included. You have to import, which import is just getting just information from somebody else's crap and just putting it in and just using their work is what it is practically. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, but we're gonna use string, okay? But anyways, enough of me dabbling, okay? Now you're probably wondering why we got an error here, okay? Now it wants to print X, but it's not gonna literally print X. Now if we wanted to literally print X, we could print X, okay? X, okay? But we don't want it to literally print X, okay? But we will show what it equals to, though. So we could do this little fancy sign, and then we could do plus. Remember, it's just adding it to the line. X, okay? And now we're getting there again. Well, what's wrong? It wants us to initialize it, okay? Eclipse is my little helper, okay? It makes life a little bit easier, okay? So let's go ahead and initialize it. So equals 0. It's gone. And guess what's gonna happen? Bam. See? Piece of cake. We got something on our screen now. Isn't it nice? Okay. Now let's go ahead and do J. Alright, so let's go ahead and copy this. Go ahead and put J here. Okay. Now Jay is complaining. He wants some love. So let's go ahead and make it equal. Let's go ahead and equal hello world. Alright. Look at this. Bam. And what happened? We didn't put the end line. If we want it in its own line, we got to put the end line. You know what I mean? This last line is unnecessary, but it will be necessary if you wanted to add more. It's just for fancying it up issues. Okay, your console is gonna be your baby. Okay, if you're gonna have some 3D graphics and stuff, but you need to know what the hell is going on. Console, baby. You just freaking, you go ahead and debug. You slowly figure out what's wrong. Why is this equaling this? These prints are gonna be your lifeline. So just know how they work, okay? And this is as basic it is. There is ways to, this will be called a string. Well, this is, well, of course, it's a string, and there's a way to manipulate it and stuff and all that good stuff. I probably would cover that, but I even hate that. Like, I never used it in my whole life, but yet, well, my professors forced it down my throat. But anywho, good luck with that later. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, now if we wanted to do this, okay? Oh, there's one more thing, okay? Let's go ahead and make another integer. Just one last thing, all right? Just know this. Okay, let's make it to 1. Okay? And let's put x to 1 as well, okay? Now x is 1, okay? Let's put a space here. Let's put it a little fancier. You know what I mean? It looks so bad. Alright. Now, what if over here, okay, we did x plus y? Now, if we did that, it would literally, oh, again, thank you. I know. Forgot to put the end line. Okay, it would actually add. Okay, but this is treating it as one section. Like this is one section of the print. This will be one section of the print. So be careful. If you want to add variables, like if you wanted to separate these instead of add them, you have to actually probably would want to put a space like that, and that's what will work. And you could just put it at literally if you do that, again, it's going to literally make it look like 11, but it's really not 11. It's really 1 1. Okay, that's it. Basic, nice understanding. Take this everywhere. Tell your friends. Everything. If you like this, I'll continue this. You guys, let me know. I'll do a few more episodes without no feedback, I suppose. But just for encouragement reasons, just remember the like. I'm not really asking for a subscribe here. To be honest, I really don't care about them. But if you did want to see, well, I want to just help people. All right. So just make sure you save this in your playlist. So I think you can. I don't understand YouTube, but I know you can probably save this playlist and it'll update every time. So if not, then subscribe. Oh well, that actually makes sense. Anyways, enough of me dabbling. Thank you guys for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. No, I kid, but well, actually, late on those two accounts. Happy Christmas, Happy New Year, and see you guys later.